everybody, welcome back to my channel, Learn with Danica. Today we'll be talking about adding fractions part 2. How to add fractions with a different denominator. First you have to find the LCM, then change the fractions. Then you just add them. First you find the LCM of 7 and 3 in our example, which is 21. Now change the whole fraction. Our equation is 1 over 3 plus 1 over 7. We change 1 over 3, which is 7 over 21, because we multiply 1 over 3 by 7. And now we change 1/7, which equals to 3 over 21, because we multiply it by 3. And that's how we change the fractions. Now we just add them like normal. So our equation is 7 by 21 plus 3 by 21, which equals 10 by 21. Make sure to like, subscribe, share, and don't forget to click the notification bell. Bye!